Okay, I will show you today this custom node for ComfyUI. It's the custom node Dave custom node. And the node that is interesting is a multi-area conditioning. It allows you to define different prompts who will apply in different area. In this example, I generate this picture where there is a magical girl on the left and a cat on the right. This is the prompt for the magical girl and this is the prompt for the blue cat. And as you can see here, there is I can change the position of one. I will exchange with the other one. Here the cat is on the left and the magical girl is on the right.